What's up, guys? It's Pandora the Cryptobabe. I'm back. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having a marvelous day on this thankful Thursday. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, if you haven't checked out my crypto projects, the link is in the description. Go check them out. See what I got going on. www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right, guys, we're back to do our end of the week update for BrunoEx. This is the day on Thursday where you can actually put your withdrawal request in. All right, you can withdraw once a week on Thursday, and on Friday they will process it, right? So BrunoEx is actually, they offer a couple services. They offer exchange, right? They're an exchange where you can swap your crypto, you can buy crypto, okay, without even having an account, without even uploading any documentations, no KYC. You can go directly to my link, www.coffeeandcoins.info, and simply just process your swap or buy crypto, okay, without doing any of that, which is awesome, right? So go check that out. And they have investment plans, and that's what I really got into them for the investment plans, okay? Here is our basket of investment plans. You can opt to invest monthly, quarterly, half yearly, or yearly and earn passive income on your cryptocurrency. Okay, now remember, only to use risk capital in any of these crypto platforms, guys. It could be here today and gone tomorrow. So only put in here what you can afford to lose and not to worry about it if it disappears tomorrow. Okay, that's the mentality you got to have in this space, because who knows? I'm rolling the dice. Okay, so far so good with this one. It's been around a year. They got 6 plans here. You take a look here. They've got the standard plan that's paying 1.25% monthly for 3 months. It's only $10 to get in, crypto in, and USDT BEP20 out. All right. Premium plan, 2.50% monthly interest, 6 months. You're locked in this one. It's $50 to get into this one. Okay, 3 months on this one and 6 months on this one. Okay, then the ultimate plan is 5% a month for 1 year. It's $100 to get started with that one. Then they have the daily plan. This is the one I'm in, 1.25% for 90 days. The minimum to get in it is $10. It's for 90 days. You get your capital back at the end of the term. Then they have the 0.75% per day, 180 days is $500 to get into this one. The daily plan is 0.55% for 365 days, and it's $1,000 to get into that one. Now, these are the ones that you can withdraw from once a week, and it's on Thursday, okay? And they will pay out on Friday. All right, guys? So go check these plans out. They've recently added some more currency options into the platform. Let's take a look here into the Telegram group here. Let's see. Let's go back where they stated that they've done that. So they've been around a year now. Let's see here. Improvements to payment methods. Last week, let's see, this was on the 11th. They made this post. Expansion. Okay, improvements to payment methods. We expanded our investment payment options, allowing users to make deposits using USDT BEP20, USDC BEP20, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, and Matic. This update ensures users can enjoy seamless and hassle-free payment experiences, enhancing their overall investment experience. So they didn't have that many currencies they were accepting prior to this, so they have expanded. So that is great. Shout out to them on that. And then they're adding the prestige plan It's $2,500 to get into this one. It's a $2,500 deposit, limited to only 150 early access users, under 6-month term, resulting in a daily profit of 0.45% and a monthly profit of 12.6%. Each user can have up to 4 active plans. 4 plans at that $2,500 deposit. That will be a $10,000 max dividend earnings. We also host performance gateways with prizes like Apple MacBooks, iPads, iPhone 15, a $2,500 investment grants 1 user 1 ticket to the lucky draw, maximum of 4, with 3 draws occurring every 2 months. That's called a prestige plan. You've got to be whitelisted to get in here, okay, for that plan, because they've only got so many spots that they're giving away. So how to secure your spot? If you wish to reserve a spot, feel free to contact our customer support or Telegram through email. All right, so sign up with my link, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Go back here, register, you get your account, and then contact support and let them know you're interested in that $2,500 plan. If that's you, do so. All right, guys. Let's see what else have they updated in here. The era of decentralized finance has arrived. Let's see what else. And they always come in here on the Thursday and remind us, attention, ensure to submit your withdrawal for week 60. So 60 weeks in. Shout out to them on that. 60 weeks online in order to have them processed by Friday. Okay, that's what I just mentioned to you. While there is no maximum cap on the number of requests you can make, we advise you to consolidate your withdrawals into a single request. This allows you to avoid excessive payment of charges, since each withdrawal is subject to a minimum fee of $5 or 5% per request, whichever is higher. Multiple requests might significantly reduce your earnings. All withdrawals are only processed in USDT BEP20. Okay? Kindly ensure you have the right wallet address before placing the withdrawal request. All withdrawal requests received beyond the cutoff time will be processed the following Friday. Okay? So if you miss that time, it'll be the next Friday. All right? So what we're going to do, we have our plan in position, and let's see here. We're going to go ahead and do a withdrawal today. Okay. So our plan is a 90-day plan, 1.25 daily, 90 days. Our plan ends January 27th. Okay. And we have made a withdrawal from the platform. Okay, so let's see here. Tells you available balance right up here. Okay. All right, so we've made 2 withdrawals on this platform. All right, guys, successfully, no drama. All right. So let's see if we can do it once again. Before we do that, let me show you how you get started. So right here, I'm already in the dashboard, right? You can click deposit. Okay, deposit funds, select from available payment options, right? So they have, as I mentioned to you earlier, USDT BEP20, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, USDC, BEP20, XRP, Matic, Polygon, right? So you can come here, click deposit now. All right, and then see what happens. The drop down, how much are you going to deposit? And then here's your currencies, right? Say USDT BEP20, not ERC20, BEP20. Okay, be clear on that. So make sure you see this clearly up here. It's BEP20, not ERC. All right. So make your selection. They take Bitcoin. Okay, if you want to do that. So type your amount here, guys, how much you're going to deposit. Click continue to deposit, and you will get the QR code to send your crypto into the platform. Okay, now you make your deposit, and then it's going to show up as available balance. You know how it says up here your balance? Or you can come here, like you already know, hey, well, I want this plan right here. Let's just say you want this plan. I don't know. I'm just going to pick one. Click invest now. You want that plan. And see right here it says invest plans. It's telling you what plan you selected, the 1.25. Type the amount here. Look, I have a balance, so it's saying I could use that balance if I wanted to. Continue to invest. Okay? That's how that goes. And it shows you the minimum and the max. The minimum is 10 for this plan that I'm in, and the max is 1,000. Now you can have multiple plans, right? But that's how this one is set up. All right, guys. Very simple. Very simple, 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 simple. Over here you have dashboard, transactions, investment, our plans, my profile, and referrals. That's it. All right. So let's see if we can do our withdrawal. I already got my wallet in here. I always like to double check it. I highly recommend you do that too. Go check it before you hit that withdrawal button in any of these platforms, because, hey, that's just how it goes. They could be hacked. Somebody could have went in there and put their wallet address in there. And when you hit withdrawal, boop, it goes somewhere else. So we're going to double check it all the time. All right, hang on. Okay, I just want to double check it once again. All right, so that is good. We're good to go. Let's click withdraw now. Let me see. Hang on. Will we do that? Where are we? Oh, no. Okay, withdraw now. Boom, boom, boom. USDT BEP 20. Okay. All right. They're saying this is your balance here. What you do is put in this amount. That's the amount. Remember, it's 5% or $5. Okay. The withdrawal fee. All right. Withdraw your funds in USDT BEP 20. They're just making sure you know it. It is only USDT BEP 20. I like how they double check that. Make sure you see it over and over. All right, perfect. We're good. Continue. You're about to withdraw. See, they took the 5 out immediately. Okay, and then they confirm with you. See, before you even confirm, I like this. You're about to withdraw this. Here's your crypto wallet. Yada, yada. Here's the amount. They're saying it again. USDT BEP 20. Confirm and withdraw. And it's going to send me an email. That's how they do it. I like it. Pretty cool little platform, guys. Your funds are on the way. We'll send you a confirmation email shortly. Check your email for details when the funds will reach your account. We're going to do another withdrawal. Okay. So we go back to the dash. Alrighty. See, it's zeroed out. See that? 0. Boom. Okay. There you have it. All right. So if you're interested in checking out BrunoEx, guys, do so. The link is in the description. www.coffeeandcoins.info. Go check it out. All right, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.